From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
Showers and thunderstorms mainly taking a break across the immediate viewing area this afternoon across southern middle Tennessee and our part of northwest Alabama. Here's satellite and radar composite. And the main action close to us has been across north Georgia, down through central Alabama, and then back up into the plains. We've been quiet here today, but that quiet weather not going to last for the rest of the week. We're still in an unsettled weather pattern overall. Maybe a shower near the Highway 278 corridor through the evening hours. Otherwise, we're mainly quiet. I won't call the rain chance completely 0% overnight, but no more than about 10%, maybe a stray shower developing, especially down south of the Tennessee River, starting the morning in the low to mid 60s with partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. We warm up well into the 80s tomorrow with daytime heating, and then that boundary ignites once again, but it's going to be a little farther north tomorrow afternoon. So northwest Alabama, north Mississippi starts to get in on the action by midday. If Futurecast is right, maybe a couple heavy downpours here. We'll have to watch gusty winds as well. That boundary may start to shift northward into the afternoon, so I wouldn't be shocked if some of this North Alabama activity makes it into southern middle Tennessee, whether Futurecast shows that or not. So rain chances possible on either side of the state line for our Wednesday, but things start to settle down during the evening on Wednesday as we have the loss of daytime heating as we head into the overnight hours. And then we do it all over again for Thursday. We do it again for Friday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible each day. No real rhyme or reason for which town gets one, which town doesn't. This is kind of like an early summer type pattern that we're going to be in, especially with the temperatures as well up into the 80s the next several days. And then that frontal boundary over the plains that you see at the top left corner of the map for Saturday evening gets closer to the area Sunday and Monday. That helps increase the rain chances, and we'll be warmer on Sunday, mid to upper 80s, but rain chances increase Sunday and the Monday before that boundary gives us slightly cooler air going in early next week. Well up into the 80s tomorrow, maybe slightly cooler, upper 70s to lower 80s on Thursday as we're going to be on the north side of that waffling boundary as it moves around. Low to mid 80s through Saturday, and then mid to upper 80s ahead of that front on Sunday with increasing rain chances before that front gives us maybe some mid to upper 70s as we start early next week. So your hourly forecast for this evening and the overnight dropping out of the 80s into the 70s this evening, and then into the lower 60s to start our Wednesday morning with partly cloudy skies, and then showers and thunderstorms develop during the day. Pop up in nature, so not everybody's going to get rain. It's only about a 40% rain chance. Highs in the middle 80s here, more the same. In northwest Alabama, maybe a slightly better chance of rain on the Alabama side of the state line versus the Tennessee side, but everyone has a rain chance tomorrow. Starting in the morning, but really cranking up midday and afternoon, partly sunny otherwise. Highs in northwest Alabama also in the mid to maybe upper 80s. Several folks hit 90 degrees this afternoon for daytime highs. Mid 80s or better for our Wednesday, a little bit cooler for our Thursday, still in the 80s through the weekend. Some folks may get close to 90 degrees again, especially on Sunday, and then slightly cooler air with that frontal boundary as we head into the first part of next week. There's the latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.